Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be a unbox with me. I ordered me one of the new Apple Watch, the 4 series. I got the 40mm facing, and let me show you what the box looked like. So this is how it came in the mail with the little fragile sign on the bottom. So you got a little tab, so never open it, so we're gonna open it together. Yes. So this is what it looked like, and as you can see, you got Apple symbol, the Apple symbol, and then you got watch. So this is what it looked like. So I'm gonna take it out the box. Okay. And this is what the back of the box looked like. So got a little tab. They kind of fancy here. How you can open it up. Okay, so let me see if I can tip y'all down a little bit to where y'all can see me continue to press it off of it. I hope y'all can hear me well. So we got the little thing right here. These little flaps where you can open it up. Let's see. I must say they got it packaged well. Oh, that is so cute, the little box. How cute. Then this is the box with the bands in it, or the band, I'm not sure. And as you can see, it's a Apple Watch, and it's a 40mm. And I got the black, and it says the black, come on, focus, black sports band. I'm not sure if it look backwards to you all. Not. So the first thing I'm going to do is open up the bands. And sorry if you hear the noise in the background. That's my dryer. So got a little information sheet in here. Safety information, warranty, and all that good stuff. And also give you the instructions on how to put it on. Yay! It gave me 2 bands. And I'm glad because I would need the small medium. So this is how the band package looks. And it's black, and oh, I love the way that feels. So nice. No, I'm so happy. Okay. So the little box got a little watch on the outside. Okay, it looked like it had some inside. Okay. So this how it comes. Designed by Apple in California. So it actually came from California. Wow. And this is the information card. This is the directions. Uh-oh, sorry. This is the step-by-step directions on the front, and then it tell you the information on the back. And the information on the back tell you about the different watch faces, the digital crown, and side buttons, and charging. So hopefully it can, and it will zoom in. So let me put that down, and actually let me put that back in here. And in here you got your watch, your charger cable, and then you got the port here, the USB plug-in thing. So I must say they did a wonderful job. So let's take out the watch, is what I'm very excited about. So come in a protective facing. Oh, and it's so cute. It's so small. I'm so excited. So now I'm grabbing my band and I'm trying to figure out which way it goes. And you guys already know, order me some accessories for it. I'm not sure if I got this on correctly, but I'm going to see. And all you do is just slide. It got the little space right here. See the little opening? And you just slide the band in from either side. Trust me, I did my research. And it's coming on, girl. So it does work. It's taking a minute to load up. But you guys, that is it. I'm going to end the video right here. And it's just getting it in the mode where I got to pair it with my phone. But once again, I'm going to end it right here and just doing a little pan around view so you can see exactly what it looks like. Go in here and get it set up so I can wear it to work tomorrow. And tomorrow I can play with it at work. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell and hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.